In today's fast-paced world, mental health and well-being have become essential aspects of our lives. Our mental health starts with the brain, the control center of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Mental health encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. One way to nurture our mental health is through mindfulness practices like meditation. The demands of modern life can lead to stress and anxiety, which are common mental health challenges. Seeking professional help from therapists and counselors can provide valuable support. Mental health isn't just about addressing problems, it's also about fostering positive well-being. Physical activity is one way to boost your mental well-being. Journaling is another effective technique. Giving back through volunteering or helping others can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Adequate sleep is crucial for mental health. Nutrition also plays a role. Don't forget the power of deep breathing and relaxation techniques. Lastly, strong social connections are a cornerstone of mental well-being. In conclusion, mental health and well-being are vital for a fulfilling life.